guys, welcome to another strategy learning session as part of Vertical Spreads series. Today we are going to see a strategy on a bearish view. Last two strategies what I have given you is for a bullish view. So today we are going to see a strategy for the bearish view. This is a sensible interface. It's available for free users also. This is not a paid version. So for the free users also, you can go on the left side menu, log in into Sensible, and you can go into the strategy builder. In that you will find this page. You have ready-made strategies of bullish, bearish and neutral view strategies. If you are well experienced in options, you can build your own custom strategy with all the permutations and combinations. Right now I am going to do the ready-made strategy. Initially it will be like this. For the bullish view it will come like this. The call ratio back spread we will discuss later. This is also part of the bullish spread, but this is not a vertical spread, means this involves three options, not two options. This involves three options. So vertical spread is the one: bull call, bull put, bear call, bear put, means we are going to talk about that. That involves two options. Okay, as I said, a vertical spread is different strike, same expiry, same type of option, means that is the vertical spread. Either you do it with calls or you do it with puts. Okay, quantity will be same. If you do unequal vertical spread, the loss will be more. Some cases the profit will be more, but the loss will be unlimited. Some cases the profit will be less, the loss will be little bit lesser than the regular strategy. Okay, so better to do as a fully hedged strategy. That is what means I am highlighting in every video in our channel. Okay, be fully hedged and have the edge with the hedge. Okay, so let us continue with the bearish view strategy. The first strategy on a vertical spread, what we are going to see is a bear put spread. What is a bear put spread? Bear means we are having a bearish view on the market, means the market will go down from the level of our entry. Put spread means the moment you call it as a spread, we have two legs. One is a buy leg, one is a sell leg. Two opposing legs on a different strikes but same expiry. So how the bear put spread will look like? Let us click this. It will give you a ready-made option. When I click this, Sensible gives a ready-made bear put spread with the current value of Nifty at 17,900, say. So what it does, that by 11th November expiry, this is the very nearest expiry. Next expiry is 17th November. So 17,900, so 11th November, sorry. So 17,900 put option buying for 102 rupees and selling a lower put option 17,900, lower is 17,700, means the strike is lower. This is at the money put, this is out of the money put. This is right opposite to the bull put spread what we saw in the last video. In bull put spread what we did, we sold 17,900 and we bought 17,700. Here we are going to buy 17,900 and we are going to sell 17,700. So this creates a bear put spread. This is a net debit strategy, like what we did with the bull call spread. Bull call spread is a net debit strategy. Whenever the strategy is a net debit strategy, your maximum loss is limited to the premium what you pay. Here how much we are paying? Net premium is 3,133. What is your maximum loss here? It shows minus 3,133, means this is going to be your maximum loss. You are not going to lose anything more if the view goes wrong. And what is the maximum profit? Whenever you are doing the debit strategy correctly, your risk reward ratio will be always greater than 1. Okay, you are risking 1 rupee to make here 2.2 rupees. Okay, you will, if your view goes wrong, the maximum what you can lose is 3133, which is your premium paid, and the maximum profit what you can gain if your view goes correct and the market goes down, means bearish view, right? Bearish view means the market going down. So market goes down, you can gain about 6,868. If you have seen in the last video of the bull put spread, this is just reverse. Okay, just if you want, the link is in the description, you can just go and watch the video. I'll try to put the link in the end of the video also. So break even at expiry is 17,837.35. So here we pay this money, our break even is this. Since we are having a bearish view and the market is a little higher, so the market is at 17,900. It needs to go down by another 60-70 points for us to start making money. If the market stays here on itself, we will lose 3,100 rupees. Okay, this is a big difference between bull put and bear put spread. In the bear put spread, to make the money, the market needs to move to our break even and further go down. Then only we will start making money. If the market stays here, slightly it goes down or it goes up, we will be losing money. Okay, that is why on a debit strategy, your probability of profit is less than 50%. So here we have about 37% probability only. Okay, and for this, since we are doing a selling of the option, there is a margin required to be paid. Since this strategy is a fully hedged strategy, the funds needed will be about 23,000. Since we are paying the debit also, so the margin needed will be about 21,000. Okay, so you consider that this is the funds needed, means you will require about 23,000 rupees, means this to maintain the position till the expiry, these are the funds needed. Okay, let us see in the graph, means how the things work out. So today the market is at 17,900, say 17,900, and your view is bearish. By 11th of November expiry, we are having a view that the market will go down to 17,700 and below. Okay, so if the view goes wrong, consider that the market goes down little bit only or it goes up further, then we will be willing to lose 3,133. You can see after 17,900 where our maximum loss happens at expiry, not tomorrow, at expiry. So when the market continues to go up, we are not losing any additional money, right? Our maximum loss is just fixed like 3,133. You can see even the market goes to 18,500. Our maximum loss is fixed at 3,133 only. Okay. If the market goes down as per the view, the market needs to go down up to 17,837 before the expiry. On expiry, if it expires at 17,837, we don't make any money, we don't lose any money. We are at break even. Okay. So consider that the view is right and the market is going down and it goes to 17,800. At 17,800, our profit in this strategy will be about 1,868. That is on expiry date. If it happens before that, the profit will be less because there will be some time value left in the option. So that time value we have to return it back. So the profit will be a little bit less. But on expiry date, there will not be any time value left. There will be only intrinsic value or nothing will be there in that. Okay, if it is out of the money option, there is no intrinsic value. If you want to know what is a intrinsic value and eccentric value in the options, I have a separate video for the option basics. Means many people, they don't know what is intrinsic value, what is eccentric value, can we do in the money call, buy, in the money call, sell, in the money put, out of the money put, sell. People don't know. So I just wanted to make it clear for people that in the money means it is not in profit, okay? And out of the money means it is not completely in loss. So things are different here. To make a better understanding, I am making a video on option basics. That video will also come, not now, probably like in some time I'll make the video. You can watch that video and then learn the option basics on intrinsic value, eccentric value, what are the option Greeks, what is gamma, what is beta, what is theta, what is Rho, means all those, and what is Vega, means all those you can learn in that option basics video. Okay, so this video is only for the vertical spreads, thinking that you have a basic knowledge of the options and how they behave on different strikes. Okay. So coming back, so if the option goes to 17,700 at expiry, that is the place where we will reach our maximum profit. The market can go down further, but our profit is capped at 6,868 only. If that happens tomorrow, what will be our profit? Our profit will be, like, if market goes to 17,580 or 17,600, so our profit will be about 5,300. Means we entered at when the market was at 17,900 and we had a bearish view, and the view has become right, so the strategy will be in profit. If the market goes down, the strategy will be in profit. Okay, so this is what it is. So this is a very simple vanilla bear put spread. I hope you understood what this strategy is. Signing off, this is JR. May the markets be with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thank you.